In this video, I will show you how to set who can call you on Telegram. Subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Telegram. This is our Telegram right here. Click on this. Click on the settings. Click on the privacy and security. Now from here, you can see who can call me, right? So you can come on here and set it. You can let it be everybody. Everybody can call you on Telegram. You can make it to be only your contacts. You can make it to be nobody, right? Nobody can call you except you want to, right? Nobody can call you. You can let only your contacts can be able to call you, or you can let nobody, or you can let everybody call you. Everybody who adds you up can just call you anytime they want, anytime they are free, right? So I think this is basically how you can set who can call you on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, share this video in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.